What is cement? First thing people think of as cement is what comes out of those trucks you see going down the road that you're pouring your sidewalks, your driveways, your roads. Well, cement is part of that, but that's actually concrete. That's what happens when you combine cement, sand, and rock. It dries, it makes concrete. Cement is the dirt, the gray powder that you buy at your hardware stores. And there's a very extensive process in making cement. It comes from combining limestone, rock, let's try that again, limestone, shale, sand, clay, mill scale. And it is run through a raw mill, which grinds it into a powder. And as the powder goes through a kiln system, something similar to what we have here at Chanute, is what I've got in front of me. It actually goes from a powder to a rock back to a powder. I've been here 25 years, and I've kind of been a part of the whole process at one time or another, from an operator, from actually running this system to now I'm a supervisor in charge of it. Cement is, like I said, takes a lot of chemistry and chemical reactions to make. As it comes out of the raw mill, it'll come through a system that is sent back up to the top of this, and it'll filter its way through and come down through here. And this is your kiln. As it gets to this point about right here, temperatures will be about 2,500 degrees. And actually this powder will become a liquid. And then as it passes underneath this, which is your burner, as it passes through the burner, there's a quenching effect as it drops into the cooler. And as it quenches, it turns it back into a rock. And then once it turns back into a rock, it goes through another process, through another mill system that's combined with gyp and ground back into a powder, and that's actually what is cement. There's a lot of, like I said, a lot of key transitions that this makes as it comes through the system. The key to this is I'll fire this up and let you see what the system kind of looks like as it goes through. It'll take a little time to warm up here. But as it comes up, you see the kiln start. As the material comes up through here, you'll see dirt come down, comes through these two, comes down to this one, back up to this one, down to this one, and then down the system. And as you can see, we're burners down there. But when it enters up here, it's about 900 degrees. When it exits down there, when it gets to about here, it's about 2,500 degrees. The biggest thing is the next time you look at that bag of cement in the local hardware store, it's more than just dirt. There's a lot of chemistry and a very large, extensive process that it goes through.